Do you want to know the real reason your book ads aren't converting? It's not what you think. Hi, I'm Heather Roberts. I'm the owner of 1852 Media, 1852 Literary, and the Publishing Store. I've been working with authors for a decade, and let me tell you something I see every single week. Authors think their ads aren't working because ads don't work for books. But in 90% of the cases I see, the problem isn't the platform, the budget, or even the audience. It's the book packaging. Let's unpack that today because fixing this could make every dollar you spend on ads 5 times more effective. So, what do I mean by book packaging? It's the combination of your cover, your title, your blurb, your reviews, and your price. Basically, the first impression you make when someone clicks on your ad or sees your book online. You can have the best ad copy in the world, the sharpest targeting, but if someone lands on your Amazon page and the cover looks amateur, they're gone. If your blurb reads like a summary instead of a sales pitch, they bounce. If your title is generic and doesn't hint at genre or tone, it's forgettable. Here's where most authors get stuck. They think, I ran $100 in ads and got 300 clicks, but only 2 sales. The ads didn't work. But really, your ads did work. They brought in the traffic. It's your book page that didn't convert. Let's look at some key signals. Click-through rate is high, but no one's buying. That's a packaging problem. People bounce quickly off your page, blurb or cover issue. Great cover, but still no sales? Check your price point and reviews. If you fix the book packaging, suddenly those 300 clicks can turn into 20, 30, or 50 sales. That's the difference between losing money on ads and profiting on ads. Here's a quick checklist to audit your packaging before you throw money at ads. Let's look at the cover. Is it genre specific? Would a reader instantly know it's a romance, thriller, fantasy, whatever it is? Is the typography clean and legible at thumbnail size? Now on to the title. Is it memorable? Does it hint at emotion, conflict, or trope? Is it on trend but not cliche? And for your blurb, is it hook driven, not a synopsis? Do the first 2 lines grab you? Are there strong emotional or high stakes words? For your reviews, do you have at least 5 to 10 reviews? Are they reader reviews or editorial? Can you pull a quote from one to feature in your ad? And your price, is it competitive for your genre? Does your price match your ad strategy? Wide versus KU, series versus standalone? Ask fellow authors, or better yet, readers, to compare your book packaging to 3 top-selling titles in your genre. Be brave. The feedback might sting, but it's golden. If you've ever said, ads don't work for my book, I want you to reframe that to, where in my book funnel are people dropping off? Because ads are just the top of your funnel. They open the door, but it's your packaging that makes them walk in. When we work with authors inside our advertising strategies for authors course, this is one of the first things we troubleshoot. We've helped authors double or quadruple their income just by reworking their blurbs and covers even before they spent another dollar on ads. When you get your packaging right, ads become scalable. You can spend $5 or $500 and see real ROI because everything in your funnel is working together. If this resonated with you, if you're tired of ads that get clicks but no sales, then come check out the Advertising Strategies for Authors course inside the Publishing for Profit bundle. It's built for authors who are ready to stop guessing and start running ads that sell. You'll learn not just how to run ads, but also how to make sure every part of your sales funnel, from first click to final sale, is optimized for conversion. Click on the link in the description, and I'll see you inside.